Welcome back to MuleSoft Unleash. Today, we explore Curie Tech's newest AI-driven feature designed to take integration performance and developer productivity to the next level. Excitingly, these Curie Tech capabilities are now available in Visual Studio, expanding beyond Anypoint Studio for even more flexibility. Curie Tech AI makes installing a new plugin simple and straightforward. Steps to install a new plugin. First, log into your Curie Tech AI account. Then, head over to Settings, open the Download section and copy the link shown under Enter the following URL. In Anypoint Studio, go to Help Install New Studio. Paste the plugin link provided. Click Curie Tech AI, then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking Next to proceed through each step. Accept the license agreement. And when prompted, trust the listed sites. Once the download is complete, restart Anypoint Studio. Since I currently don't have any active tasks to proceed with, only one task can be selected at a time. Now let's check how to install the CurieTech plugin in Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio, go to the Extensions menu, click on the three dots and choose Install from VSX. Navigate to the location where you saved the CurieTech VSX file and start the installation. Once installed, authenticate with your CurieTech AI account, and that's it. All your tasks and chats are now available right inside Visual Studio. It might be a bit tricky to find at first, but just head back to Extensions, Curie Tech, and you'll be able to access and enjoy all Curie Tech features seamlessly within Visual Studio. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel MuleSoft Unleashed for more updates. And don't forget, drop a comment if there's something specific you'd like me to cover in the next video.